Okay, this is the Nissan Titan 06. I have a clicking noise that you guys might want to see. It's actually, hold on, let me get this light out of the way. That light's messing us up. Okay, this is, of course, the gas pedal, brake, and this is one of the actuators. See how it's black and white? That's one of them, but that's not the one that's making that clicking noise. It's gonna be that right there. And hold on one second. The only thing is, like I said, it might be this one, but in my case it's that one. It's this particular thing right here, and I'll show you right now. See how it's coming down? Oh, that's just awesome. Now, here we go. You see it? That's what it is. Bingo. You got it. And see, it's this part. It's gonna be, I can't get it because I have to hold my camera, but it's gonna be this part right there. That one. This part. In my battery, and I had to replace batteries left and right because it stays on even after you take off the battery or the key, and it stays on. So as it kept on draining my battery over and over and over, and I didn't know why, but that's what it is. The two major ones is also the steering. The horn will stop working, and cruise control will stop working. All this assemblies start working. That right there, the airbag, will stop working. And hello? Okay, I'm outside. Alright, bye. And my brother-in-law is gonna come and take me because I gotta buy this thing so I can take it off. It's the coil that I need to buy. It's underneath here. And it's pretty simple to take this off. I just went ahead and did it. I didn't know I was gonna record this, but now I want to record it so y'all know, because these are the two major things that you will ever encounter. The horn won't work, and the AC will stay on, the AC actuator, which okay. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do in order to get to that part. It's in there. We were gonna take the structure off, but we got the part. We got access to the part, and this little thing here it's what's wrong. we were getting it out, except we got this one and this one only, and this nut's the one that was very hard. It goes like that. As you can see the play, if you can hear it, that's what. Okay, and then see how that there's a groove here that's missing? It's supposed to be like that. I'm not sure if that, I think that's supposed to be aligned to here. Either way, see how there's a lot of, there's play there? Well, and that is the part number and everything. Okay. Let me open it. Okay. Same thing. Of course, that groove is aligned to those 3 little grooves here. And no more play. So I'm gonna try to put it back together. But all of that just to get this part. Freaking Nissan. Yep. Radio cup holder. Alright. I already got that part to go in. Well, trying to show y'all where it is. At this angle, it's kind of hard. Well, okay. See that nut right there? That's where the top nut is, and then the bottom ones are in there. So the moment of truth, people. Right. That's the white part. That white part right there. Let's see if it's gonna work. Now I'm gonna connect the AC, which is this one. It's a clip. And this one. Oh, nice. I don't know if you saw that. perfect. It worked awesome. Oh, well, there's no ignition or whatever. I forgot. I took it all off, but it's set right. There was no noise, so I got it. It's awesome. Couple of days, long hours, and you too can fix that. And the part cost $44, and only Nissan sells it. So, alright, well, that's the part. And it worked awesome. And that's what was draining my battery. That's why I had to replace it, because the truck already had started dying on us, and we're buying battery after battery because the noise stays even after you take off the ignition, even after you go home and stay there a few, it'll stay on. Alright, well, I'm out. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.